komthwakazi ama-resources akomthwakazi ngabantu bakomthwakazi akula muntu okuthiwa ubuya kwaZulu Natal akula muntu othi yena is more important in Matabeleland in Mthwakazi than the other sizowalwela amalungelo ethu sizayilwela imthwakazi ngiyabonga
hayi siyabonga kakhulu baba Dube mbone ngani uphakamisa isandla bese ngizolivala nje uhlelo angunikeze nje imizuzwana ethize
ngiyabonga babunkala ngiphinde ngibingelele inkundla kakhulu lami ngizoba mfitshane nje bengithi nje ngikuvale lo hlelo hayi ngifuna ukubonga ubaba uPhiyane lenhlanganiso ye-MRP umsebenzi uyabonakala kudala bewuphusha siyabonga ukuthi bewuphushe kanjalo mina ngilesixwayiso lapha ngizokhuluma mina ngomunye walaba abamele inhlokomo yesizwe bengizocela njengoba umfowethu uVundleke wakhuluma phambilini ukuthi singabantu bakomthwakazi asifundeni ukuthi embrace each other ngoba singabantwana bomuntu oyiwani angifuni ukubuyela kulokhu inxusu liyane kuyenzakala kuma platforms mbona ngani it was a mistake but moving forward asizameni ukubumbana njengabantwana bomuntu silwe lesithe siyi-one because there is only one enemy esilwa nayo ngizocela ukuthi kuma-respective organizations akhona ngaphansi kamthwakazi asivuseleleni into leyo kuthiwa yi-political education sifundise amalungethu how to engage with other people in a civil manner ukwenzela ukuthi singazitholi sesihlukana futhi kube isitha yilokho vele esifuna kwenzakala uyabona isitha mangabe sibona abantwana bomuntu besilwa bodwa asibuyi siyobe sizihlekela sime laphana because siyakwazi ukuthi you are actually giving them a break so njengabantwana bomuntu asibumbaneni sazisaneni futhi sibizane mangabe omunye ehlaba umkhosi lami ngithi lo mkhosi ngowami ngingadingi lokumenywa ngoba mangabe umfowethu egwazwa angibuzi ukuthi kwenzakalayo ngivele ngiyokulwa kuqala bese ngibuza later sokuphelile ukuthi kathi vele kuqale nga so asibeni la leyo ndlela yokusebenza bafowethu labodadewethu okubalekile kakhulu ukuthi sikhumbule futhi ukuthi singamatwana bamaqhawe asilweni and akekho umuntu ozosilwela njengathi singabantwana bakamthwakazi masingakhulumi no one will fight for us
get lopped off so ukuya komakhelwana sibona ukuthi nakhona istruggle sethu igeography is immaterial lapho okulabantu bethu khona yikho lapho eviva khona nasekhaya bekumele kube le demonstration leyo demonstration siyenzelwe ngamapolisa avuke esesithombeni sika Sathandi uJoshua Mqabonkomo lapha phakathi kwedolobho lakoBulawayo uvuye kutoyitoya wona amapolisa ngamahashi egada amabhizi so I demonstration leZimbabwe siyenzile kodwa siyenzelwe ngamapolisa
hayi selinama members amatsha
kuthi ukuthi bayayithanda inhlanganiso lapho kule MRP khona kule police eceleni so we demonstrations in South Africa by ngama members eMRP alapha eGoli noZulu wonke nje hlangene ekhaya bekumele kube le demonstration esuka esithombeni sika Sathandi esika baba uJoshua Mqabuka ibisisi yako Mhlahla Ndlela amapolisa athi hayi ngcono wena ayithathe a demonstrate wona
okay all right yabona ke kunale inkulumo ethanda ukuthi abantu bakomthwakazi asibambananga njengamaqembu o njengabantu nje asibambananga asizani manje lapho ushila ukuthi wena bekunabantu abaningi akade bezile nje abanye bezihambela bengabantu bengamelanga amaqembu wena uyagqugquzela na ukuthi umthwakazi awuhlangana ube imbumba noma cha
empeleni wonke umuntu oyenzalwa komthwakazi into ayithandayo leyo ukuthi umthwakazi uma ungahlangana nje kungabalulekile ukuthi umuntu ungwaliphi ibandla. Angithi mina mangingowemthwakazi Republic Party uqhamuke mhlawumbe ukhansila we-MDC endaweni mangabe sisema council chambers kungaba kunensolo yento wrong eyakobulawayo thina singabantu bakomthwakazi as a block kumele lo muntu ozena leyo motion simsupport. Kumele noma into ehlukathwa eParliament kule mali kumele ikhishwe kwakho idamu eMachinge onke ama members adabuke eMathebeleland kumele bayiseke leyo motion. Kungabalulekile ukuthi umuntu ungwaliphi ibandla ngoba thina sifuna umthwakazi ume njengalokho esibona kusenzakala kuzifundazwe ezikwamanye amazwe ukuthi ungakhangela izwe lase South Africa. Oh
yeah, qhubeka baba.
Oh uxolo ngazi kwenzani ngifuna iyaringa la.
Okay. Akathi esazilungisa khona phana. Ubaba ukhuzimpu ukhona. Awu naye senyamalele. Baba Vundla.
Yebo baba Nkala.
Hawu ukhona baba kade ngikhulumisa lapha uthule baba. Besicela ukuthi njengenhlokomo lisho ukuthi lina libone njani lokhuzana i-demonstration.
Qala ngithanda ukuthi ngibingelele inkundla
ngibingelele nawe ngabhala i-curtain yakho baba ama blinds akho awubonakala.
Right. Ngiyabonakala mbijana.
Sokungconywana kodwa ilight elingena lapho liningi kakhulu.
Kube ngiyela lapho ngani kuyakhanya khona. Right. Ngizabe ngiqhubeka ngisabingelela ukuthi hayi ngibingelela wena njengomphathi wohlelo sorry. Senze ngaphumela phandle.
Ukulungile.
Ngiyabonakala.
Yeah, kuyabonakala.
So ngibingelela wena njengomphathi wohlelo ngibingelele lenkundla and bese ngibingelela labaxoxi bematch le edlulileyo abakhokheli labalandeli beMRP lamanye amabandla kumbe ngithi inhlanganiso zikamthwakazi ebezinxusiwe. Bese ngizethula ukuthi mina ngumlindelwa Bokani Vundla ngimele inhlokomo yesizwe. Bese ngisitsho ukuthi thina liqembu elicha ebelisanda kusungulwa kodwa sithe sisizwa umkhosi lo omenyezelwayo sathi hatch lanxa sibatsha kungangcono sicathule sisiya khona. So ngalokho sihambile saphatheka kumatch leyi siyakujabulela ukuthi imatch leyi ibe yimpumelelo bekulonjongo yokuthi uhanjise incwadi leyo ihanjisiwe bekulenjongo yokuthi abantu bakithi beze beyimbumba bakwenzile lokho abantu bakithi. So mina ngubona kwami kube yimpumelelo uhambe njengokufisa kwethu kodwa ke siyazi ukuthi entoni yonke kuba lokuthi everything else can always be done in a better way. So sithi kona nxa kufika abantu abangako abantu bazakuthi ngaba abantu badlulelo lelo nani. So akutsho lutho lokho ngoba ngaze kube 1000 abantu bathi angabe kube 5000 ngaba yi-million ngabe kube yi-2 million. So ngalawo mazi inhlokomo yesizwe ithi phambili lokubambana and ibe phambili.
Hayi siyabonga Mnumzana Vundla baba Fuya.
Yebo.
Ubusakhuluma kodwa angisakhumbuli ukuthi ubusithini.
Oh okay ububuze ukuthi ubumbano lwemathebeleleni siyalugqugquzela na
Aha.
ubumbano lwakomthwakazi.
Yebo.
Yebo, bengithi mina hayi ubumbano siyalugqugquzela. Part of ivangeli le-MRP ukuthi abantu abeze ekhaya. Wonke umuntu akasebenzele komthwakazi. Wonke umuntu uma kunento yakomthwakazi ehluphayo akaphakame. Kungathiwa kulesikole esakhiwa eWange. Nami njengoba ngiphume emaphisa kumele manginesheleni ngiliphosele eWange ukuze isizwe sakithi sibambane ukuze isizwe sakithi siphumelele. Nakupolitiki singajabula thina njengebandla uma singabona ngasolinye njengabantu bemathebeleleni. Lokho kuzenza ukuthi ezinye izizwe zisihloniphe.
Kakhulu. Uthe wena ngesikhathi uqalisa laphana wathi kunama demands angaba 10 ebelinawo. Mawungabe usawakhumbula baba sicela ukuthi utshela abantu ukuthi bekungama demands ba.
Idemand lakuqala okuyinto esemqoka belingolokuthi igovernment ayikhulule ama members eMRP la angu9 aseKhami prison. Ngoba icala abalenzileyo asiliboni. Umthetho weZimbabwe uyavumela ukuthi umuntu ateleke demonstrate kune freedom of association. So ngalokho sithi igovernment ayibakhulule ayilacala. Idemand number 1. Eyesibili idemand yokuthi udaba lweGugurawundi kumele lukhangelisiswe lusolve kahle. Hayi NPRC kumele lusolve ngabantu ngoba icomposition ya labo abakhethwa nguhulumende ukuthi bayisolve indaba yeGugurawundi icompose ngabantu bakhona le futhi eMpumalanga. Thina asiyo ngxenye yakho. So whatever decision ezaphuma labo bantu abakhethwe nguhulumende thina sizokuyamukela unless it favors i-compensation yabantu bakithi nokuthi abantu bakithi baphiwe amandla okuzimela. Omunye umklomelo esinawo ngokuthi iZimbabwe as a government kumele isiphe ama-statistics ukuthi bangaki abantu bakithi esiyabaxoshela emazweni. Okwesine ukuthi kube
angizwanga ukuthi uthe bangaki abantu abanjani.
Abantu bakithi asebaxoshwa iZANU-PF government yabaxoshela emazweni angomakhelwane. Abantu bayahlupheka emazweni angomakhelwane ekubeni banomhlaba wabo isemkhulu okumele ngabe bahlezi bayasebenza bondle imuli zabo bengabizwa ngamagama ngoba kule immigration or immigration ilama ills associated with. Ungangena eHillbrow ulusizi ukubona abantwana bakithi behlele emakhoneni sebesidla ama drugs abanye sebethengisa ngokomzimba abanye bayahlukunyezwa ngabelungu bayahlukunyezwa ngabaqhashi ngoba bezibona bengela khaya labo esikubiza ngesilungu okuthiwa yi-statelessness. I-government yeZimbabwe kumele isiphe isizwe sethu esizokwazi ukuthi abantu bakithi bahlale balime basebenze bazibuse.
Uyabona ke leyo ngeyinye yezinto embona ukuthi vele iyahlupha kakhulu emathebelele. Ngoba umuntu ongenamsebenzi ikakhulu emadolobheni okokuqala abantu they will run away baye emakhaya bathola ukuthi nakhona vele akuphileki bagcine besiya emazweni. So i-displacement yabantu bakithi into enzima kakhulu. So ngeyinye yezinto elithi uhulumeni akacace kuyo.
Yebo, kumele aqonde ukuthi uthini ngabantu bakithi. Othi uma eqeda uform 4 ethi udinga umsebenzi angawuphiwa. Ethi sebuya ecollege edinga ukuba nguteacher angaqhashwa kodwa uthole esikoleni sangakubo kusebenza umuntu obuye ebhikita. Sithi i-government ayisiphe amandla ukuthi sisebenze endaweni zakithi to serve abantu bakithi than ukudlalisa amandla or ama-youthful years ethu without giving back to isizwe sakithi. Okunye sithi kule ndaba yaboMalayicha ungananzelela ukuthi oMalayicha laphana basitotshiwe manje ebhoda bangene. oMalayicha yi-lifeblood yabantu bakithi. thina sikhule ngemali zabo malayishi omali bengomalayishi besingondliwa nguhulumende weZimbabwe besondliwa zimali ezisuka eGoli ama-grocery asuka eGoli as back as ama-80s 90s i-government mayisithi omalayishi abangangeni ekhaya manje njalo kule COVID ayibaboneleli ngesibonela abantu bakithi abatholi any support from the government kodwa ivala omalayishi ukuthi bangenise ama-grocery ithi badle nga we demand i-government ukuthi ivule i-border omalayishi abangenise impahla eziya emathebeleleni ziyagazi ngoba omalayishi bayi-lifeline emathebeleleni ngoba akaze sithole sizo ku-government eZimbabwe.
Okay, so ngalolu daba lobumalayisha uhulumeni uthi abantu omalayisha bengangeni ngoba ngiyisiza se-COVID noma cha?
Uzananzelela inkokheli yami ukuthi lo hulumende wobandlululo usesebenzisa i-COVID ukucwinya amathuba abantu. Kusiqale kuthiwa yi-COVID kodwa masisizwa kwaza kwethu abangomalayisha bathi i-government ithi sokumele kungene abathi ngama-rigid trucks abafuni ama-trailer ziphendukile ezinye imota eborder laphayana. So sicabanga ukuthi i-government izovika nge-COVID ithi i-COVID kodwa thina esesihlupheke kakhulu emathebeleni sikubona kuyindlela yokuncindezela abantu bakomthwakazi.
Okay, ayiqhubeka ngamanye ama-demands.
Okunye esikudimanda ku-government ngama-taxi koBulawayo. I-government ilethe oZUBCO yamisa ama-taxi abantu bakithi ukuthi engathovisi laphana koBulawayo. So we demand ukuthi ama-taxi awabiselwe asebenze ngoba labo bantu bama-taxi bondla ingane zabo ngalezo mali babhadala ama-school fees ngalezo mali ngoba akusela msebenzi. Ama-industry wonke aqala athuthelwe Harare avala sokusontelwa khona pho i-government mayizovala ukuthi abantu bathola amasheleni ngamakhombi la ade gijima elokishini ithi abantu badle nga abantu bondle imuli zabo kanjani.
Angithi ukhuluma ngemchova baba?
Yebo imchova, yebo imchova.
Imchova usho ukuthi imchova ayisekhona bayivala?
Yebo imchova seyavalwa kwaphuma ukuthi akusebenze oZUBCO. Ma ulomchova wakho ufuna usebenze kumele uyobhalisa khona koZUBCO. So i-government is monopolizing into yemchova ekubeni abantu bebezisebenzela kahle besondla ingane zabo besondla abantu ababo ngemali yemchova. Manje labo ZUBCO bangikhona abantu abaqhatshwa koZUBCO akuqhatshwa abantu bakithi futhi kuqhatshwa abantu bakithi abaqhatshwa kuleyo ZUBCO.
Okay, so ibhizinisi lemchova okuyilo ebesinganithwa sikulo kakhulu abantu bakithi ngapha alisekho kahle. Uhulumeni uselingenele ngamabhasi akhe lawo.
Yebo uhulumeni uselingenele ibhizinisi lelo kuThange ngoLwesihlanu kule khombi abathi bisuka lapha ePick n Pay ko-Hyper ithwele abantu yagijinyiswa ngamapholisa bathi kwenzeka ingozi ngoba amapholisa abeyigijimisa ukuthi asavunyelwa amakhombi bangayibona bayayichaya ama-windscreen bangayibona iyathathwa isiwe drill hole bese kucosta ukuthi umnikazi wayo akhiphe imali eningi ukuze ayithole ikhombi yakhe.
Okay. So into le eyokubandlulula abantu bakithi nokubathathela amathuba kubonakala into eqhubekayo.
Lento ibonakala ilandela uhlelo lwabo olwe-grand plan and i-grand plan yenzelwa ukuthi ekugcineni isiphushe out masingananzeleli siyisizwe sikamthwakazi kuyophela ngathi so sithi phapha kube kungasela into esiyibambayo njengamanje esiselakho akusagcwala isandla so kumele wonke umuntu ongumthwakazi aphakame azilwele.
Okay. Ubusuqedile konje ngama demands.
Kunendaba futhi eyomhlaba. Umhlabathi wabo baba omkhulu. Sibonile laphana iqembu le-MRP lihambile la eNtaba Zinduna. Sibonile laphana eWange ama-China asekhipha abantu emhlabeni wabo koyisemkhulu bafuna ukuvula imayini kubodede ngale. Sibonile endaweni eziningi ngama-resources ungakhangela imayini eseSanelsen kwangena indoda wakoGono waxotsha umama wesigabeni uMrs Gasha Dube okuthe ngemva kokulwa naye uGasha abantu bazama ukulwa bemncedisa kwathola ukuthi lo mama wafa bathi ubevele egula. So as MRP sidemanda i-fresh land audit kubonakale ukuthi umhlaba ususe ezandleni zabobani ama-resources akithi adliwa ngobani. Ungakhangela ama-fishing licenses ama-hunting licenses asiwatholi nje abantu bemathebeleleni ama-prospecting licenses ungaze ube layo ube nemayini yakho uyabuya umuntu evele Harare akuthathele umhlabathi lwana ngoba yena uyabe ele-backup. Ungekela lokho basebenzisana lamapholisa bezokuchaya ngoba lamapholisa khona asebenza ezabelweni asomapholisa akithi namapholisa avela khona leMpumalanga thina asisela ndawo lapho esikhalela khona. Osokukhosa ukuthi size sithi mhlawumbe masingakhala sikhalele la kubo UN sikhalele namazwe angomakhelwane singathola ukusizwa.
Okay. Hayi siyabonga baba ngokusichazela konke lokho. Ama expectations zenu njengebandla kuma demands zenu imaphi?
Sicele ukuthi uhulumende asiphendule abonise ukuzimisela ukusolve ama problems ethu within 3 months. Angehluleka ukwenza njalo futhi sizoqhubeka ngemizamo esiyenzayo ukuthi azasilalele. Sizoqhubeka si-engage amanye amazwe, sizoqhubeka si-engage izinhlanganiso eziningi ezihlukeneyo ngoba angeke size sikalele izandla izwe lakithi limuka.
Okay, hayi kuyabongeka kakhulu ba. Manje ngizonikeza abalaleli noma abukeli abakhona lana uma befuna ukuthi bekubuze imibuzo. Lingaphakamisa izandla elifuna ukubuza. Angikaboni isandla. Hayi kusho ukuthi abantu uvele wabaphendula bengakabuzi.
Uxolo baba mphathi intambo bengisadinga ibutton lesandla lapha.
Alibonakali.
Yeah.
Hayi alright hayi ungabuza.
Hayi siyabonga mphathi intambo uhlelo lolo silethele lona namhlanje konke futhi nabaphathi be-MRP ngokusiphakulela i-program zabo. Bengibuze mfokafuyana nabanye abaphathi be-MRP abakhona manje. Ukhulume wena ngedemand ethi yona uhulumeni waseZimbabwe akasitshele ukuthi abantu bakithi bangaki asebaxotshwayo bayaphephela kwamanye amazwe. Njengoba uhulumeni engasoze akwenze lokho siyakwazi lokho. So i-MRP yona ine research capability engakanani ukuthi kulokuthi ihlale ibe siyakhala kuhulumende sitshela ukuthi lokuyana bangaka abantu abathathelwe umhlaba, uhulumeni sitshela ukuthi bangaka abantu abangasebenziyo. Uhulumeni yona i-MRP kumele kube yiyo esinika lezo statistics ukuze injani ifuke uhlelo lwayo ukuthi hayi nansi lokhu zeni ngoba ukukhala njengesizwe yes siyakhala ngoba vele sisebunzimeni kumele sikhale kodwa ngendlela osokusenzakala ngayo emhlabeni manje ukukhala nje umhlaba uyakukhangela nje ukuthi bayakhala asiyabezwa
kodwa asizwe baba Ncubo ukuthi uthini ubaba uFuyani ngombuzo wakho.
Okay uxola baba bese ngilandisa.
Oh, okay. Njenge MRP kule database ngithi kulama database esiwahlelayo okuzama ukuqoqa imininingwane ngabantu bakithi abapasile kuba ngoteacher bangawuthola umsebenzi, abapasi kuba ngonesi bangawuthola umsebenzi, lale emazweni abantu asebengaphandle kwamazwe silesifiso sokuthi sibe layo, sibe kwazi abantu bakithi e-UK bangaki, abantu bakithi e-South Africa bangaki njalo benzani. Ukuthi ngawo ukuthi ngokuya kwesikhathi into esizoba layo mase siyakhala kwezinye inhlanganiso sibabonise lawo ma statistics.
Hayi siyabonga. Unhlanhla engabuza ukumute ngazi unmute ba.
Okay, sanibonani.
Yebo.
Yes, umbuzo wami in fact bengicela ukuthi ngingabuzi but ngicomment because I suppose ukuthi MRP doesn't have to answer all the questions from us, but we should say what we are saying. Ngunhlanhla Moses Ncube igama, I'm from Nkai, but I'm in Johannesburg for now. Kule issue of numbers, I believe what matters is the message and not the numbers. If we are to think about the numbers as basic match lapaya. And lately, if you have realized, very few political parties can have the numbers that MRP is having, especially in South Africa. I'm a former member of the MDC Alliance. You struggle to get numbers. So the numbers were quite good and it was carrying the people's message. The march was actually an egg. If you look at the march, it was so peaceful. MRP has been attacked of violence and stuff. Let me say opposition political parties, but it was very peaceful march there. And I also like one thing that you guys did. I did not see the cracks that you are having. Impugane ziluhlaza ziyasho ukuthi you are having cracks, but you mended the cracks. The cracks were not visible, which is quite a good thing. And you also exposed the tribalism elapha embassy. There was no one who could say talk in isiNdebele. So your message was truthified or justified, if I may say it. Then bese ngicela ke ukuthi ngiyambona lapho khona ubaba uKhuzimbi ukuthi he was warning people not to come there until they follow the rules. I feel ukuthi he was getting too harsh on people. MRP is the people's message, but there is still some other things that probably people still want to understand about MRP. I'm not a member of MRP, but I am an Mathebele lender. So I feel ukuthi MRP is playing in the space of the Mathebele lenders, as it were. Hence, we are interested in what they are doing. Thank you very much.
Okay, hayi siyabonga. Ngingazi kumbubaba uKhuzimbi ngabe efisa ukukhomenta kuloko okukhulumileyo o noma cha. Na.
Hello?
uKhuzimbi bembuza uKhuzimbi ngabe efisa ukukhomenta noma cha. O baba Fuyana, maybe ungakhomenta kuloko akukhulumileyo.
Yebo, ngiyathanda ukucomment.
Yebo.
Ngithanda ukudlulisa ukubonga kumfowethu lapha. Ukuthi unanzelele la ukuthi iMRP has come a long way. Njalo our distractors would love it mangabe kuloqhekeko phakathi, but we managed as a party to heal ama fissures which were appearing, and manje sesikhuluma ngezwi elilodwa. One of i-point esisuke layo umklomelo esingathi umklomelo oluhlaza ukuthi e-embassy we manage ukuthi u-ambassador asibonise ukuthi ubandlululo njengoba ejile umnumzana lunjani ubandlululo eZimbabwe, ngoba bekungela even oyedwa okwazi ukukhuluma isiNdebele kodwa the ambassador was forced to speak isiNdebele. Ngiyabonga Mhlonishwa laphana ukuthi uphawulile njalo ukhanya ungumuntu okhathazekayo ngezinto ezenziwa yi-MRP, uyaqhuqhuzela ukuthi sihlale odabeni, sihlale sisebenzela abantu ngoba nawe you are a stakeholder or a stockholder in MRP njengabo bonke abantu bakomthwakazi.
Siyabonga. Umfowethu uDumisani Mfila uke waphakamisa isandla. Ngingazi noma lokho esafuna ukubuza. Ukumute baba.
Hello.
Yebo.
Ungabuza njani bantu bakithi?
Nice phile.
Yes. Mina benginganambuzo actually kukhona bengithi ngicela ukuthi ngikuzwisisise kahle kahle. Ngisise novice kundaba lezi elikhuluma ngazo lapha. So ngicela ukuthi ngi-understand kahle ukuthi yona i-government lena ekhona imayikhangele i-MRP ikhangele ngelihlo elinjani ukuthi khona iyayi-accommodate yini ukuthi iyenze okufishwa ngabantu kumbe iyisitha iyi-enemy okufanele ukuthi khona icobodiswe vele ingatholi ithuba lokuthi iyenze lokho ekufisayo ama-objectives ayo.
Baba Fuya.
I-government yeZimbabwe ayikazela nini yathakazelela umuntu wemathebeleleni owakomthwakazi ovusa ikhanda. Ungavusa ikhanda ungwemathebeleleni, be it culturally, traditionally, economically, politically or sports, kumele ikhanda lakho liqunywe. Njengalokhu njenge-MRP, we don't expect to be handled with kids gloves. Kodwa kulento esiyinanzelele ukuthi sithe masiqala lomzabalazo i-government yeZimbabwe ibisinyathezela singaphumi ezindabeni njengoba asiphumi vele kubo ZBC ifuna ukusi-ignore. Mhlambe ibithi these are noise makers nje kuzaphela ngoba abantu abaningi babekhangela ukuthi i-MRP ayisoze ilaste up to 2016. Safika u-2016 sangenela ukhetho namhlanje lokho esikhona. Kodwa manje i-government yeZimbabwe isiqala ukukhathazeka ukuthi hayi phela labantu bayasebenza, labantu bayaziguqula ingqondo zabantu bemathebeleleni. Ongangokuthi manje we expect a gloves off approach from the government, and nathi njengebandla namalunga kumele sibe prepared spiritually, physically, ukuthi into enjengaleyo sibhekana layo kanjani.
Okay, hayi bezwakala. Engabe khona umunye sesisalelwe yimzuzwana nje ukuthi siluphethe lolu hlelo. Khona umunye ongabe ethanda ukubuza noma ongathanda ukukhomenta.
I can't see the hand here myself.
Ayilungile mama lingakhuluma.
You know, this is a long and protracted journey which doesn't show an outlet at all. And I listened to this conversation with a lot of disappointment because I can't see a leap forward. I can't see anybody crossing whatever river. I can just see day in, year out, still saying the government. From my point of view, please delete us from this moment. Delete the government because you are burdening your memory. You are burdening your thinking processes. Think clear-headed on your own. Build a research team that will outline ABCD. Look at this ABCD. Evaluate which one will make me cross to the other bank. Are you after crossing to the other bank, or you are after bringing these two banks together, which to my mind You never, never will. Please make a leap forward. How far is your research? How far is your model? Have you got any models? Have you got any models? Huh? If you have no model, you are going nowhere. Sit down, work out a model and say, your government behind. I don't want. I was a lecturer at Hillside Teachers College. Year in, year out, I walked out of an interview completely disheartened when 95% of the interviewees were not from Matabeleland. I go into the lecture room, I find that 95 or 97 of my students were not from Matabeleland, but I had to do my job as a lecturer because if I didn't teach properly, if I didn't have distinctive students, I would be thrown out of the room. Come day of qualification, those students, 97% on my register, did not want to stay in Matabeleland. And that was in the early 80s. Now, 40 years later, we are still having this debate, this lukewarm debate. Lukewarm. Have a hot debate. Move forward.
Siyabonga mama. Siyabonga kakhulu. Angazi noma Fuyana kukhona ngabe ufuna ukucomment ngecomment kamama.
Ngizothanda ukuthi siyabonga umama indlela ibuzwa kwabaphambili. I-advice yakhe is taken to heart. Ongangokuthi njengabakhokheli benhlanganiso zakwaMthwakazi amazwi akhe sizowalandela, sizowalalela. We always want to hear advice and encouragement from our seniors ngoba indlela ibuzwa kwabaphambili.
Hayi kuhle kakhulu. Baba Vundla ubuphakamisa isandla.
Mina bengithanda ukuthi ngazise uZulu ukuthi ukhona okwasho phambilini ukuthi kube lokukhuza okukhulu. So mina engingakutsho kulokho ukuthi njengomuntu omele inhlanganiso entsha enhlokomo yesizwe sithe sizwa kuthiwa kuyaphunywa kwiwazingela sadobha induku kodwa ngibona ngathi sesithole induku sethuse abanye abantu bakwaMthwakazi babona ngathi induku siyithwalele bona kanti induku thina besizama ukuthi siyithwalele isitha. So ngiqolise ukuthini inhlanganiso yethu ayikabi inhlanganiso yaziwayo njalo ngithanda ukugqugquzela ukuthi abantu bakwaMthwakazi besazi singabakibo simindawonye labo. So kusasa nxa lesibona sisiza abantu bakithi singabakini sisazozethula kuhle ukuze lonke lisazi ukuthi hayi singabakini. Ngiyabonga.
Siyabonga kakhulu Vundla. Sikuthi sigqibe ubaba uNhlanhla ingathi ubefuna ukuthi akhulume.
Ngiyabonga. Bengithi lapha
ube mfishane
kuyindaba yama teachers njengokumama ekhuluma lapha. Yes, I problem esilayo, it's a political problem. Those people, ministers, they will bring their numbers. Omunyule 100 yak, you end up having lots of students in the college. I qualified at Gweru Teachers College. We had that kind of a thing. Zopo brings a certain number, so and so brings a certain number. So we need a political solution to this because these are political problems. Thank you very much.
I just add on that. Honestly, politics and the philosophy are one thing. If you are going into politics, if you are going to make people follow a political way, and then you are in need, you are crying, you are suffering, you never will get there because a politician will think philosophically and they come and defeat you. take your satchel and be on the road. Take your briefcase and be on the road. This is what I am saying. Action now. The road. Here I am about to die, having been born in that incarcerated situation, no way out. Please, please take my advice. Action now. Nothing else. I am telling you the truth.
Akakhulu mama kwezwakala mama kakhulu. Ngizothanda ukuthi mama ngeke ngikutholela ithuba nje sike sihlale sixoxe nje lana ku MBC maybe 1 hour yonke nje unikeze nje umthwakazi wonke jikelele imibono yakho ngokuphelela kwayo.
I'm not qualified.
Hayi li qualified. Siyalinikeza sokuthi li qualified. Hayi siyabonga kakhulu mbona isikhathi nje sokusela imizuzwana nje embalwa baba Fuyani unamazwi bani ongathanda ukuthi uwanikeze umthwakazi jikelele.
Ngizothanda ukuqala ngibonge baba Nkala ukuthi usicelile usibizile usimemile ukuthi size kule nkundla ukuze umthwakazi asazi ngoba sinanzelela ukuthi siyavalelwa kuma mainstream media outlets. So ama media organizations anjengawonala awakithi yiwo asipha indlebe. Siyabonga kakhulu, siyagqugquzela futhi nakwabanye abantu abale access yokwenza njengawe mfowethu ukuthi basize baxhase into zakomthwakazi. KuMahlabezulu kumthwakazi kaNdaba ngithanda ukuthi isikhathi sokubambana sesifikile. Isikhathi sokudlala asisekho. Umuntu ozabuya ekudonsela entweni zeZimbabwe, umuntu ezobuya ekudonsela ekuthini Zimbabwe is one, umkhafulele. Ngoba iZimbabwe amazwe amabili. Okwamanje kumele sizijwayeze. We must unlearn abanye bathi decoloniality. Ama professor lapha bathi kunento ekuthiwa decoloniality. While Africa is decolonizing from colonization yabelungu, thina as Mthwakazens we must decolonize our minds from colonization by Mashonaland, from colonization by Harare. It is high time we become assertive as a people. It is high time singabantu bakomthwakazi sisukume sijakadule ezweni labo babamkhulu. So kunanzelekile isikhathi esidinga ukuthi uma ungemathebeleni ungathi uphakamisa izwi kuthiwa go back to KwaZulu Natal. Engithemba ukuthi abaziyo kahle ngemvelaphi they know ukuthi the majority of people in Matabeleland are themselves indigenous in Mthwakazi. Inkosi uMzilikazi yabathola bevele bekhona yabusa nabo yakha nabo. I-MRP upresident wayo ngumqondisi moyo ongomunye wabanikazi bendawo leyana. Umuntu angathi ulindebele uthi ukhuluma naye ethi go back to KwaZulu Natal, umtshele nje kaluthi nawe ubuyele eBurundi. Everyone comes from somewhere. As MRP sithi umthwakazi ngabantu abahlala komthwakazi. Ama resources akomthwakazi ngabantu bakomthwakazi. Akula muntu okuthiwa ubuya KwaZulu Natal. Akula muntu othi yena is more important in Matabeleland in Mthwakazi than the other. Sizowalwela amalungelo ethu. Sizayilwela imthwakazi. Ngiyabonga.
Hayi siyabonga kakhulu. Baba Dube mbone ngani uphakamisa isandla bese ngizolivala nje uhlelo angunikeze nje imizuzwana ethize.
Ngiyabonga baba Nkala ngiphinde ngibingelele inkundla kakhulu. Lami ngizoba mfitshane nje bengithi nje ngikuvale lo hlelo. Hayi ngifuna ukubonga ubaba uFuyane lenhlanganiso ye-MRP umsebenzi uyabonakala. Kudala bewuphusha siyabonga ukuthi bewuphushe kanjalo. Mina ngilesixwayiso lapha ngizokhuluma mina ngomunye walabo abamele inhlokomo yesizwe. Bengizocela njengoba umfowethu uVundleke wakhuluma phambilini ukuthi singabantu bakomthwakazi asifundeni ukuthi embrace each other ngoba singabantwana bomuntu oyiwani. Angifuni ukubuyela kulokhu inxusu liyane kuyenzakala kuma platforms. Mbona ngani it was a mistake. But moving forward asizameni ukubumbana njengabantwana bomuntu. Silwe lesithe siyi-one because there is only one enemy esilwa nayo. Ngizocela ukuthi kuma respective organizations akhona ngaphansi kaMthwakazi asivuseleleni into leyo kuthiwa political education. Sifundise amalungethu how to engage with other people in a civil manner. Ukwenzela ukuthi singazitholi sesihlukana futhi kube isitha yilokho vele esifuna kwenzakala. Uyabona isitha mangabe sibona abantwana bomuntu besilwa bodwa. Asibuyi siyobe sizihlekela sime laphana because siyakwazi ukuthi you are actually giving them a break. So njengabantwana bomuntu asibumbaneni sazisaneni futhi sibizane mangabe omunye ehlaba umkhosi lami ngithi lo mkhosi ngowami ngingadingi lokumenywa ngoba mangabe umfowethu egwazwa angibuzi ukuthi kwenzakalayo ngivele ngiyokulwa kuqala bese mbuza later sokuphelile ukuthi kathi vele kuqale nga. So asibeni la leyo ndlela yokusebenza bafowethu labo dadewethu. Okubalekile kakhulu ukuthi sikhumbule futhi ukuthi singamatwana bamaqhawe. Asilweni and akekho umuntu ozosilwela njengathi singabantwana bakaMthwakazi. Masingakhulumi no one will fight for us. Asenzeni political education sizama ukuthi sibuthane si-encourage abantu besijoyine kulama movement eswapushayo sikwazi ukuthi we have got only one agenda and the agenda is to fight the enemy sithatha okungokwethu okubhilonga kithi. Ngalokho ngiyabonga kakhulu umphathi ohlelo.
Hayi angiyeke ngize edalutho kulapho.
Bengicela ukungena kancane umzuzu noma sisiyaphela.
Hayi kulungile baba ungangena usheshe.
Ngixolise balande abalaleli bohlelo ngixolise umbuzo ade ngena igama uZivelebana uVincent igama lami langempela uZivele omzabalazo bengifuna ukuphendula ubhuti icomrade lakithi uNhlanhla ngesikhalazo sakhe sokuthi mhlawumbe wangaphatheka kabi ukwaphatheka kabi ngenkulumo yami ekade ibhekiswe kumalunga amanye ade engaziphathanga kahle lapha kuma platforms wethu wokuxhumana. Maqhawe kithi ebengunanzelela kakhulu ukuthi uyabona masibhekane nesitha esinjena sokukaningi sizithola kunabantu abasetshenziswayo abakithi angeke sikuphike baye bathi ngesilungu the enemy wouldn't be so strong if he didn't have the accomplices among the oppressed. So ngezinye izinto sikupolitics we have to censor everything especially mangabe indlela abantu abenza ngayo akekho umuntu wakomthwakazi njengalokhu babonile kulaba ade bekhona laphana kumbiki esimaziyo ukuthi ulwela umthwakazi ngokusobala ukuthi sibe nabanye abantu esiye singaba-understand ngendlela ababeka ngayo izinto emphakathini bese sicabanga ukuthi mhlambe bathunyiwe ukuthi bazosonela izinto. Ingakho we have to censor izinto ezinjalo hayi ukuthi mhlambe abantu bakithi siwasibethusela mangithi mina ukungaziphathi kahle kwenza ukuthi umuntu ayithole induku vele kusemzabalazweni induku ugcina uyitholile mangaba uzange uziphathe kahle kodwa bengingasho futhi ukuthi abantu bangeze bengisho nje kulabo abathi ngama-hidden agenda abasithukuzele induku emqubeni ukuthi hayi bangabe sayihlupha ngoba siyimisele ukubhekana nezitha mangabe zizobe zikhona kodwa hayi ukuthi mhlambe abantu bakithi bayavinjwa ukuthi bathangamele imbuthano ebizwa i-MRP. Cha, wonke umuntu uvumelekile, kodwa siyasithanda ukuthi sihloniphane emphakathini. Ngixolise njalo kubalandeli, ngixolise ku-host ukungena kwami lethi umsebenzi wami bokungangivumeli kahle ngoba bengilayishe abelungu la. Ngixolise kulokho.
Hayi, kulungile baba kakhulu. Asibonge kubaba uFuyana kunye ne-MRP jikelele.
Suvala nkathi.
Ngomsebenzi.
Suvala.
Unomuntu ongenayo?
Nxa usuvala baba, and the quick question adifuna umnumzana Afuyana khona lapho. A quick one baba.
All right, a quick one.
Yeah, right. Siyawubonga umsebenzi wonke nje konke lesokukhulunywa khona apha lembuzo iphendulana and so on and so forth. Now lakho kungumbuzo engithanda nje ukuthi maybe kungasiza ukuthi nxa ungaba clear kakhulu kuyena leyo ndawo, especially kuyo iMthwakazi Republic Party la lezi ezinhlanganiso ezingaba sezikhetha ukuthi sibili zimeseke uMthwakazi Republic Party okanye sihlanganele kunye laye kunjongo yakhe. Now sizwile ukuthi uMthwakazi Republic Party kunjongo yakhe ekakhulukazi engizwisisa ukuthi kuyikwehlukanisa ukuthi iZimbabwe ivele ingamazwe amabili kayehlukaniswe lawo mazwe ukuze izizalwane zalawo mazwe amabili zihlale kahle emazweni azo zizuze ezokuzuzayo. Na ngizisa kwinjongo ka-MRP lokho. Now ebangelwa ukuthi kulama grievances yana lawana awabalileyo abanye abahambe la kumatch laphana amaningi sibili i-marginalization, ukungathola amathuba kwabantu ogugura hundi wabalisile nje baswazile sonke. Now umbuzo ke ubususithi wona given ukuthi eZimbabwe zikhona inhlangano ezinye zisemathebeleleni ezingela approach efana loba engaba yinye lika MRP per se, kodwa ezikholelwa ekuthini wonke ama grievances analana akumthwakazi uma zilitholile ithuba zingawa address nxa zilitholile ithuba. Now bese ngisithi kumbuzo wami lapho ekuthini ke isimemo sika Mthwakazi Republic Party kungaba kuyikuthi simema ukuthi wonke umuntu yonke inhlangano kayihlose ukuthi i-top priority yikwehlukanisa ilizwe phakathi, then zonke lezi zinto ziyalandela, noma iMthwakazi Republic Party yakwamukela ukuthi lezi ezinhlangano given i-chance lithola ithuba address all these grievances. iMthwakazi Republic Party ngakwamukela lokho.
Baba Fuyani ngiyaxolisa ukuthi ubusuvalile, kodwa ke hayi nanku umbuzo ngicela baba
nami ngizolekelela lo
into esiyaziyo singabantu bakoMthwakazi yikuthi ayikho inhlanganiso epro Zimbabwe ezalungisa ama problems akoMthwakazi, sezehlulekile zonke. iMDC abantu bakithi bayiqala ukuyivotela blanket ngo-2000 kuze kube manje ayikaze yaphakamisa lesisodwa isikhalo sabantu bakoMthwakazi. So siyazi ukuthi lelo thuba baliphiwa kudala elokuthi bakhulumele iMthwakazi, kodwa bakaze bayikhulumele iMthwakazi. So we won't hold our breath waiting for any Zimbabwean outfit ukuthi izosolva inkinga zakoMthwakazi. Inkinga zakoMthwakazi zizasolva ngabantu bakoMthwakazi bona ngokwabo ngaphansi kwe-MRP. Ngiyabonga.
Siyabonga. Ungangena baba Khuzimbi.
Abe ngithi ngiphendule iqhawe ezikhuluma angibonanga kodwa igama uthi ba. i-problem esinayo mntu wakithi ukuthi uyabona zonke izinto bathi i-simple logic ngesilungu ngolimi lukaQueen sibolisa ukuthi uQueen naye sesizwile ukuthi ushonelwe laphana ngumkakhe laphana ohle ukukhuluma ngakho sixolise ngalokho bantu bakithi ngizonanzelela ukuthi mangabe ubosi wakho lishona angikhulumele amabandafana ku-MDC yakho phela amashona bathathe umuntu wesindebeleni bambeke mhlambe kogodlwayo bathi wena uzomela abantu bakogodlwayo kodwa nangu umuntu wasesindebeleni uhlutshwa ngamashona ishona impact amatitsha amaningi esishoneni ayabuya uyabona-ke naye njengoba bosi wakhe kulishona laphana okungu-Nelson Dlamini ukuthi kugcwele amashona lapha ezikoleni abantu bayakhala uzokwazi na ukuya complaina ngamashona kwelinye ishona na yilento ebhayizisa abantu bakithi abaku-national politics ukuthi izinto lezi ngeke zizezilungi ngoba awubosi babo laba abafuna ukuyoripota kubo ngama-problem aseMatabeleland bayile nhlobo le ehluphayo futhi eMatabeleland yingakho sabona kahle sahlala phansi sathi hayi i-voice of Matabeleland is now needed political or otherwise akekho umuntu omela abantu baseMatabeleland ngoba uzonanzelela ukuthi ama-MPs afakwa ngo-MDC nawo amaphathi ongacabanga ku-national politics they are just deployed and it's so unfortunate ukuthi ngeke babe nayo ipower yokuthi bayocomplaina ngamashona ekubeni obosi baqhashile bangampe ngamashona so kufana nokudlala ngesikhathi or sithi ukuthela amanzi
time is running out. Time.
Baba Kuzimpi usuqedile baba.
Ngibe ngizumama sengena lapha ngase ngiyaphatha mthele.
Hayi cha, nguwe oku stage baba. Ungasheshisa nje uthi kamfana.
Ngizama ukuthi yebo. Bengizama ukuthi yiyo inkinga eyenza ukuthi wonke ama-political parties since 1980 akekho noyedwa okwazile ukusolva iMatabeleland question. Lokho bayaqhubeka abantu bathathelwe indawo khona manje sikhuluma nje babhizi umhlaba wethu sebewuprivatizile sebenike o-Apple bashare nama-China benza yonke le mhlolo kuyathengiswa sizokuba imberengwa nayo ithi sifuna igwanda ibe ngaphansi kwabo uzonanzelela ukuthi yonke lento kuyimizamo yokucisha igama elithi Matabeleland ngoba benanzelela ukuthi igama elithi Matabeleland liyakhona ukukhumbuza abantu bakithi ukuthi athi singobani. So amashona they are still pushing their grand plan ukuthi they have to do away with the name Matabeleland, hence giving the power to Mberengwa ukuthi kube yiyo edla the bigger part of Rwanda laphana kube iMberengwa. Their mission is to wipe or should I say to wipe the name Matabeleland from Zimbabwe context. I think that's the ultimate goal. Kodwa sokubonakele batokubonakele unqotshiwe angeke baze balunge ayikho futhi into abazobuya bayenze ngoba thina abantu bakomthwakazi we are going to demand our freedom. It's not that we are engaging or we are sympathizing or we are being apologetic to Zimbabwe ukuthi mhlambe kumele sibonakale njengabantu abazithobayo ukuthi mhlambe siyathola inkulu cha siyazi ukuthi i-freedom will never come on a silver plate. Everyone knows we are going to demand our freedom in whatever means. Esikwenzayo manje enikubonayo nokusazoqhubeka siku-international lobbying. Very soon we are going to engage wonke amazwe angomakhelwane ogoqela Zambia, oBotswana, nayi-South Africa ukhobolwayo ukuthi hayi thina singumthwakazi esifuna ukwethu sibabikela ngoba ngamakhelwane ukuthi ma kungenzeka inxushi isuke bahlale bazi ukuthi hayi ngabantwana bakomthwakazi befuna ukwabo. We are going to demand our freedom. We are not going to ask for demand.
Hayi siyabonga kakhulu uyabona uhlelo solumnandi kakhulu singagcina siqhubeke kwaze kwafika kusasa kodwa ke ngicela ukuxolisa kumphakathi wonke ukuthi hayi singangcono sibuye sidinge elinye ilanga esizobuya futhi siqhubeke maybe simeme futhi MRP abantu nje ukuthi bazobuza nje imibuzo nje ngoba kubukeka abantu hayi banembuzo eminingi kakhulu kodwa okwanamhlanje hayi benithanda ukuthi silugqibe lapha uhlelo lolu njengamathebula Broadcasting Corporation siyabonga kakhulu nginguthulano kaNkala siyabonga njalo sithemba ukuthi iMRP uma siyinxusa izobuya futhi ivume siyabonga kakhulu baba sesiluvale
daboka abasekhulu
siyabonga
ubonga thina siphinde sibonge nakubalandeli
siyabonga kakhulu